What if your financial future isn't decided by how much money you make, but by what you repeatedly do with the money you already have? Because becoming financially secure rarely happens overnight. It's built quietly, through small decisions that seem insignificant today, but can completely change your life years from now. And the scary part is, you can be earning more money while still moving further away from financial freedom. So if you want your future self to have more options, less stress, and more control, these 7 habits are worth building now. First, know where your money is actually going. Most people don't have a spending problem because they're irresponsible. They simply don't pay attention. A few small purchases here, a subscription there, a random order, and suddenly, money disappears without you even knowing where it went. You don't need to track every penny forever, but you should understand your spending, because you can't improve what you don't notice. Second, save before you spend. Most people think, I'll spend what I need, and save whatever is left. But there's usually nothing left. Instead, make saving part of the plan from the beginning, even if the amount is small. The goal isn't to become rich overnight. The goal is to build the habit of paying your future self first. Third, stop using money to impress people. A more expensive phone, branded clothes, constant upgrades. Sometimes we buy things we don't even really want because we want other people to see us differently. But here's what smart people eventually understand. Looking rich and becoming financially secure are two completely different things. You don't need to prove your success through things you own. Let your money build your future instead of your image. Fourth, create an emergency fund. Life doesn't always follow your plans. Unexpected expenses happen. And when you have nothing saved, one unexpected problem can turn into months of stress. An emergency fund gives you something incredibly valuable: breathing room. You're not just saving money, you're buying yourself options. Fifth, learn before you invest. You don't have to become a financial expert, but don't put your money into something simply because everyone else is talking about it. Understand what you're investing in, understand the risk, and understand what you're paying. And never confuse confidence with knowledge. Sometimes, the smartest financial decision is admitting you don't understand something yet. Sixth, increase your financial skills, not just your income. Earning more money is useful, but if your spending rises every time your income rises, you can make more and still feel broke. Learn how to budget, learn how saving works, learn about investing, learn how to negotiate, and learn how to increase your skills, because your ability to manage money can matter just as much as your ability to earn it. Seventh, think in years, not days. This might be the most important habit of all. A small amount of money saved today may not feel life-changing. One smart decision may not look impressive, but repeat good decisions for years, and the result can become completely different. Your financial future is being built right now, not by one huge decision, but by the small choices you keep repeating when nobody is watching. So don't ask yourself, how can I get rich quickly? Ask, what can I do today that my future self will thank me for? Track your money, save intentionally, spend for yourself, not for approval, prepare for emergencies, learn before investing, build your financial skills, and think long-term, because money doesn't just change your lifestyle. When managed well, it can change how much freedom you have over your life, and your future self is going to live. With the financial decisions you're making today, make sure they're decisions you'd be proud of. If you want more videos about money, mindset, and building a better future, subscribe.